Hey babes, my name is Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, thank you for stopping by. I have been doing a lot of hair content lately and I wanted to switch it up and do something that's not unfamiliar but a little bit refreshed on my channel. I wanted to show you guys how I got my gel manicure set at home, and I wanted to share all of the amazing Amazon products that I've been using for the past year to get this gorgeous set. I've been getting so many compliments on these nails and this nail color, and I wanted to share the step-by-step process with you and show you all of the products that I've been loving and how I get a really nice, seamless, gorgeous set at home. All of the products will be linked down below in the description box. So if you want to see how I got these nails at home, then keep on watching. The tutorial starts now. I have everything laid out in front of me. We're going to start with a nice manicure. So sit back and enjoy the music. So right now I'm going to show you how to just make sure that each nail fits. You're just going to line up the nail with your natural nail and make sure that the false nail does not overlap in any way. Get a nice nail that fits and then lay them out for your convenience. I also just write the numbers in a notepad for each nail, so every time I don't have to go and measure out my nails. So again, you're just going to take the false nail, place it on top of your natural nail, and make sure that everything lines up and there's no overlapping. You should find a nail that fits for you, and if not, you can go right ahead and file the size down to customize the nail, but I didn't have any issues with that. All of my nails were perfectly fine. The kit does come with 10 individual nail sizes, so you should be able to find what works for you. To protect my hands against the LED lights, I'm going to go ahead and use some Black Girl sunscreen. This is my favorite sunscreen. You can find it at Target or on Amazon. I'll leave the links below. Now to clean off my nails from any product, any oils, I'm going to use these cotton pads that I got from Amazon. It comes in a kit and it comes with so many. I still have about like 90% of this pack and I've been using it for a year. So I'm going to leave that down below as well. I'm just going to use acetone on this pad and just clean off any residual sunscreen or oils that might be on my nail bed. And now we're going to get into the manicure, so sit back, enjoy the music, and it's just going to be a standard manicure, and I'll go over how I place the nails later.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was beneath atmosphere. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? The boys are real, the boys are real. He doesn't see her, you're not making money, boy. The boys are real, the boys are real. He doesn't see her, you're not making money, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, got him out there, think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like yo, send me a pin. Look at my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
The boys are real, the boys are real. He doesn't see her, you're not making money, boy. The boys are real, the boys are real. He doesn't see her.
So you just saw a little snippet of the first nail, and I'm going to go ahead and finish my whole hands, but I just wanted to share how I did that. So I kind of focused the product on the dip of the nail. You're going to kind of see where the nail sits on your nail bed, that there is kind of a little dip. So if you don't fill that part, you're going to have an air bubble. And then I just kind of smooth it out over the sides, and you're going to lay your nail from the cuticle and then downward, and that's the way that you're going to try to avoid any bubbles. But this takes a lot of practice, it takes a lot of time. I've been doing this for a year and I still don't have it perfect. Once your nail is secured, you're going to flash cure it for 10 seconds while holding the nail, and then you're going to go ahead and cure it completely without having to hold it. This Beetles Cure LED light is super handy for just one finger so that you can kind of hold your nail and cure it at the same time, which is super imperative when you're putting on your nail tips. So I love this. I believe this also comes with the kit. So to cure my nails, I've been using the Sunuv LED light, and this has two settings. It has the 30-second and the 60-second, and it's a pretty large LED light and it works perfectly. I haven't had any issues with it. It comes with the entire kit, and the kit will be linked down below. Now I'm using the Melody Susie drill that I bought on Amazon, and I'm going to use this cone head kind of drill insertment, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up the cuticle. I did have some gel glue that came out from under the nail, and it is cured on my cuticle, so I just want to clean that up. You can see right here that you're getting some of that glue off, and I just want a seamless, smooth cuticle area. So I'm just going to do that for all 10 nails. The kit comes with a USB cord to charge it. It is not wireless, but I will add a wireless option down below. It also comes with a bunch of attachments. You'll get one nail drill, 11 pieces of nail drill bits, 56 pieces of sanding bands, one nail dust brush, and the USB cord. You can also adjust the speed of the nail drill and also the direction. Once I've cleaned off the cuticle of the nail, I'm going to go ahead and sand down the top of the nail. I love this drill bit and this attachment because it was super versatile. I also used it for the cuticles of the nails, and I also used it to sand down the nails just to give it a nice little finish for my polish. Once I'm done with that, this is what the nails look like. I'm going to go ahead and trim the nails down, trim the sides, and go ahead and file it. I'm going for a medium coffin look. I want to take a second to talk about the Beetles brand that I've been using. I have been using their gel polish, their gel tips, and their gel cure, and I have been loving them for the last year. So initially I purchased a pack of 6 different colors, and that's what I was using, but now I have 2 or 3 full-size colors. They are high quality, high shine, and they have a full array of different colors. I love them. They last for a really long time. I can probably get like 2 weeks plus wear out of one set, and I've never had an issue with them. The quality is unmatched, and I highly suggest, if you're looking for some gel polish, to try Beetles gel polish. So for each nail, we're going to do 1 base coat. We're also going to do 2 color coats and then a top coat, as well as some hand lotion and some cuticle oil to top everything off. This is what they look like right after 2 coats. Really pretty. And we're just going to go on with a top coat and set it out with some cuticle oil. love my nails. I think they look so pretty and so feminine. I'm using this Body Shop Coconut Hand Balm to top everything off, and we are done with our manicure. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys try some of the products listed down below. They are tried and true, and I definitely have been dedicated to these brands for the last year, and I'll be dedicated to them for a lifetime. It is nice when you find products that actually work, and these products work. But I hope you guys have a good rest of your week/weekend, and I will see you guys in the next one.